Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is another Dollar Tree haul. What else would it be? And today is a lot of fun because we have a lot of Christmas items, a lot of buffalo check, and just random little tidbits which we're going to be using in other videos. Before we get into the haul, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, we instantly become best friends.
We just become best friends, yep!
And hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a video. Anyway, let's get right into this haul. The first item that I was super duper excited to see as soon as I walked into Dollar Tree were the adorable signs. Look how good these look. Every season, it's like they're stepping it up, and a lot of their stuff is starting to look like things that are sold at Big Lots and Kirkland, all sorts of places but Dollar Tree. So this is pretty amazing. This was my favorite. They also had an elf one. Another one that I really loved was this Merry Christmas one, and it looks like a little sleigh. It just looks so good. They had another one of these as well. I don't remember which one it was, but I just think they look so good, and for really big wreaths, it's perfect. I love the Dollar Tree willow wreaths, but if you wanted something bigger, Michael's does have the 20-inch ones for $4, and you can use a coupon. So to make a really big wreath with this as the background would be so cute. I saw these loot bags and I fell in love. I've never really thought of Christmas as a time to give out loot bags, but I guess it makes total sense. Whenever I think loot bags, I think birthdays, I think Halloween, never Christmas. But I might reconsider because look how cute these are. I actually liked them because of the little red truck on here. I think there's so much you can do with it, and it is double. That is so cute to cut out and use for personal gifts. I just really love it, and I love that it's on this like frosted paper. You can use this for anything. This isn't Christmas, but I thought it was so cute and so great for a gift. It is this tea time set, and this is actually a really big size. Dollar Tree does have a tea set, but they're small little sets. It's what I used a while ago when I made my K-cup holder. I'll insert that video. That was one of the first videos on my channel. But my daughter loves playing tea time, and she's going to freak out when she sees this little teapot.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. There.
Mm-hmm. You're giving the skull some tea?
Yeah.
Scully likes the tea?
Yeah.
Adorable. This is really random, but they have punch balloons. These things are a lot of fun, but I think the reason I purchased it is because these inflate to a perfect circle. So you can do so much with this, especially now for the holidays coming up. Make little faux ornaments or paper mache anything. This is going to come in so handy. I actually can't wait to open it to see how big it inflates, but I really do have a craft coming up, and I'm glad that I found this. I love when Dollar Tree brings out their stiletto nails. It's the Sassy and Chic. They don't bring a lot. It brings 12. So if you have a wider nail bed or a smaller nail bed, make sure that you buy 2 of these so you get sized properly. I don't think they are the best quality, but to make them over and to wear them for just a day, these are really cute. They come in a stiletto shape, so of course you can turn these into coffin shape if you're into that, or oval. There's so much you can do with nails that come in this shape, and I'm really excited because I think I'm actually going to transform these next. I really wish that Dollar Tree would have had all of this mermaid stuff when Aria turned 1. When she turned 1, I went all out and had a mermaid theme party. I actually posted a video of all of the stuff that I did way back when, and this would have just saved me so much time. It is a cute little mermaid cookie. They're really cute and a really nice size. These are made by Greenbrier, which is the Dollar Tree brand, which is based out of Virginia. I don't know what it tastes like. Honestly, I don't care. I think this is more of like a decorative thing. They might have them in other colors. This is the only one that I saw. The rest of them were kind of crumbly and broken, so this is the only one that survived. A few weeks ago, I hauled the Buffalo Check Infinity scarves, and I have a video of Aria and Nugget wearing them. And then this week, I found a reversible infinity scarf. Actually, it's not even an infinity scarf because it ends right there. So it'll just sit nicely right here, which is pretty nice, especially if you're wearing like a coat or anything. Sometimes having a scarf all the way around looks a little bulky. So this is actually quite nice, and it is a lot thicker than the other scarf. scarf, probably because they sewed both of them together. You can actually take these apart. Well, you can't take them apart, but you know what I mean? Like you can pull them apart and see the two patterns separated. Speaking of buffalo check, this little guy is so cute. Look at him. He's brown like me. He wears buffalo check like me. I think this is my new buddy. I think my new buddy is gonna go somewhere in my background. By the way, I really do have to redecorate now after Halloween so that I can get into the Christmas spirit. But this guy right here, he's going on my background. So you guys leave a comment below on what we should name him. I'm thinking Randolph. You guys let me know. The coolest thing that I found at Dollar Tree, and I almost missed it, I walked right by it, this. These are wood stems. I really wish they would have had this a few weeks ago when I was making pumpkins, because this would have come in so handy. But how perfect is this? If you try and buy little wood stems like for wedding, like party favors and stuff, they're actually quite expensive. So this is really nice and a really good buy. It brings a whole lot. It says it's 7 ounces. So I purchased 2 bags of these, and I still don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I know that I'm gonna do something. Growing up, I know that I'm not the only one, but whenever you saw a little tin of these cookies, you were gambling because you didn't know if it was 1, going to have cookies, or 2, have things that could potentially impale you, like loose needles, thread, all sorts of stuff. So it was always a gamble. I never got excited when I saw this because whenever I'd expect cookies, it was definitely needles and thread. So I purchased this to eat the cookies, and then I purchased this to store my needles and thread, and of course for gifts. But this is one of those things that every time I see it, I laugh because it's just like butter tins. Whenever you come to my house and you open one of the butter containers, there's never butter in there. There's beans, there's soup, there's all sorts of stuff because those are containers. My mom was recycling and repurposing before recycling and repurposing was cool, okay? And I know that a lot of you moms out there did the same thing. So shout out to them for caring about the environment, AKA being too cheap to purchase real Tupperware and using these bad boys. This was so cute. It is pocket dividers in buffalo check for your planner. Then it had the same pattern where it's like the actual inside of the planner. I couldn't find the planner. Let me know if you guys have seen the buffalo check planners. I haven't seen them yet, but that's okay. We can always make one. They also had this one in a floral theme, which you can mix them. I think mixed would look really, really good. But I was excited to see that they're stepping up their planner stuff. I need to plan things. If I don't plan things in my day, I do a whole lot of nothing. I do a lot of things at once and nothing at the same time. And it just is, it's so frustrating to me. This was the coolest book that I've probably found in the entire Dollar Tree section. It is a booze handbook. So not only does it give you recipes for certain drinks, but it also gives you like a little bit of background on drinks. I think it's really cool and a really thoughtful gift for anyone that you know that is really into entertaining, who has a little bar at home. This is really, really cute. I purchased this handsome guy, which is a felt ornament kit, which is basically just a giant felt cutout of Frosty the Snowman. And then at the bottom, it brings all of his accessories, like his hat, his buttons, all sorts of cute stuff. This is perfect to do with your kids if you have young kids, or in a retirement community. There are so many things that you can do with this. And I love activities like this because let's be 100% real. Everyone's on their phones these days. Everyone's distracted. So to pull people away from their phones or their gadgets for a little bit, just to make something simple, is so cute. And this is why I love the holidays, because it's the best time to craft with family. So let me show you some of the stuff that I found in stores. There's so much stuff that I wasn't ready to purchase or that I wasn't sure if I needed and I fell in love with. So let me go ahead and show you that. These little candle holders are so cute and they look totally DIY'd. I think they're a great buy and fit any decor. And then I fell in love with these. Look at how cute these little cacti in gold are.
These jars are in the craft section and they're small and plastic. They're perfect for the holiday season for homemade gifts. And I just think that they are a really good buy, as well as the full-sized Vita Coco. I didn't purchase any because I like the flavored one, but look, it is 1 liter for $1. So this is a steal.
So that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you'll be on the lookout for. And again, out of all the videos on the internet, you came here and you sat through mine, and I am forever grateful. Thank you so much. Until next time.